also really loving this Lavazza Espresso. It's huge bag. Smells amazing. So as you can see, look at that. So I grind it up and put it in here. My grinds, I'm gonna put in my little Bialetti pot. So I've got filtered water in here. And when you look inside, you should have your water right below this. This is to let the steam out. Okay, so now what I do is I just make sure that there is no grains on the edge of the lip, because if there are, sometimes when you close it, it doesn't fully close. And because my Bialetti is old, sometimes it won't come out, the water won't come out because it's not closed right. So just make sure that you close it right. And put that on low, I do too. It takes longer, but it's worth it. Put it in the middle. Look at how beautiful that is. You can hear it gurgling. Come on, open it a little bit so you can see. It's not done yet though. I'm going to wait till it stops making noise, and then I will turn it off and pour it out. Also, you can smell it. It smells like coffee. It doesn't smell burnt. It smells good. Like, the process for me is